In the middle of a jungle, there lived an elephant named Ellie. Ellie had to sneeze. She tried to stop it. She wiggled her trunk. She held her breath. But then, achoo! All the monkeys fell from trees. The parrots flew away squawking. Even the lion got a new hairstyle. And from that day, Ellie always carried a tissue